Hi everyone, it's Suzanne. Another card making video or me showing cards. I shouldn't say card making because I'm not actually making cards here. I'm just showing you the cards that I have made. How about that? I have been having fun trying to figure out how to make cards, and with this little cutie here in the what I call Victoria's Secrets pink and black, I actually made that paper. I don't know, I was inspired. It was a Saturday night, had nothing to do, decided to craft, and I came up with this idea. Those cupcakes, I don't know if I featured that before, but I forgot to bring the die to show you guys. But that's a surprise creation cupcake die from Aliexpress. I will link it below if you're interested because you can make those cute little shakers and it's well worth it. And this bow is from my stash and it comes either the tail on the outside or the tail's pointing down for the bow. Super, super cute. And this paper that I made is using the American Crafts glitter cardstock right there. The black glitter cardstock. I just cut strips, half-inch strips. I started off with the middle of the paper first and then worked my way out so I could, gauge the spacing. And it was just cutting 6-inch strips. Really, really, I mean, right there it's looking cute, but in real life, oh, it's looking super cute. Like, I have to explore this again, possibly in a mini album. Because the bow is great, but I would only put it on the outside of a mini album. I think inside of a mini album, either it's going to get smushed or it's just going to create too much bulk. But this really, really cute. So the one on the left is a half-inch strip, and the one on the right is a 1-inch strip. There I'm showing you a little close-up of the black glitter cardstock. There it came with a pack of silver, and I think it was gold, yep, and white. And it's a really thin paper. I don't even know where I found this pack at. Might have been Joann's a billion years ago. But it served its purpose here. I just put some score tape on it just to ensure that it stays down. And I really like the pink and black stripes. Because I like stripes and polka dots. So this time I'm making my own stripe paper. Anyway, on to the next card. This is a teacup die from AliExpress. I kind of like this card, but not really. Oh no, I don't know. I was playing with paper and decided to just go for it, but I had this idea of having a teacup and the hot pink and the black and then the flowers, the hearts in the teacup, but I don't know. It's cute, but not really making me super happy. And this is another little simple card I was playing with, just popping it up on layers and using foam on the word dies. Just playing with paper, having fun, and glitter paper. That's my new thing now. I don't know. It's like glitter, glitter, and more glitter. There's my glitter llama and the Hey Love popped up on foam. Either I use the foam that you would use in a shaker or foam dots. And that's that square version of the die right there. Oh, so cute. I think it's almost 6 inches. So you could use that for like a square card. And I love how it's sort of wonky, but not wonky. And then it has those 3 rows of stitching. Really nice. And then you see the little layers in it too. This is the llama die. And I think if I didn't get it from Hobby Lobby, I probably got it from scrapbook.com. But I think it's super cute. And for some reason I had llama paper. I think everybody has llama paper, unicorn paper, all the good stuff. So that's my little llama thing. And I used the fence, put some little prima flowers and other types of flowers from my stash. That's my fence storage die. This now. Oh, I love this mug. What am I going to put it on? I don't have a clue, but I just love looking at it. I love the pink paper. I love the pink bow. I love the little bit of copper glitter copper or rose gold glitter paper on it. And this is a die I got last year. I'll see if I can find it on AliExpress and pop it in the link below, but that may actually be sold out. That's like only one seller, and that was it. I had it in my cart for a while, took it out, and then didn't get it. Then it sold out. Then they brought it back, but they only brought it back in limited numbers. So I'm not even sure if it's still there, but it's a great, cute, cute, cute little set. And it comes with those stamps. I didn't use it, but it comes with those stamps. And it comes with that mug. That mug is about 4.5, 5 inches tall. So it's pretty cute. Pretty cute, pretty big. Plan on making something coffee one of these days. So here I'm showing you all my pink little bows. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. Bye for now.